Hi, welcome to YOH Crochet. My name is Anita, and thank you so much for stopping in and spending a few minutes of your day with me. Thanks to those who stuck around with me for a while, and thanks to those who are just joining me. So before I get into what the video is about today, I just want to take a minute. So I noticed I don't know, not that long ago, just a few minutes ago, maybe 20, half an hour, maybe something like that, I noticed that at the time of filming this, my dear friend and yarn sister and Zoom sister, Miss Jan, the Alaskan Crafter, is at 950 some subscribers. So she is very, very close to 1,000. So if any of you guys are not familiar with Jan, the Alaskan Crafter, I would greatly, greatly, greatly appreciate it if you went on over and checked her out, and if you're interested in her content, to go ahead and subscribe to her, since she is so close to her 1,000 subscriber milestone. So exciting. I have no idea what her watch hours are looking like, as I can't see that info, but I don't know. If you do know Jan and you do like her content and you appreciate her as much as I appreciate her, maybe help her out with her watch hours too, and run some of her content for her. Yeah, because I hit my 1,000 and I had a lot of watch hours that I still needed. So if Jan's situation is anything like my situation was when I was close to 1,000, she'll need some watch hours. So that being said, my little shout out is done. And now I am going to get into what I am actually making this video for. This is the look inside the Winter Crochet World magazine issue. The winter issue for Crochet World magazine. I don't know why I stumbled all over that, but I did. Okay, so here we go. So this is the cover. The beautiful Afghan with fringe on the front. And this got a little disheveled in the mail. So there are 28 merry and bright Christmas designs. 46 cozy projects to stitch this winter. So I guess maybe they're not all Christmas. And I'm just going to... There are quite a few patterns in here, so I am going to try to do this quickly. Okay. So first up we have the Textured Cup Cozy by Cherie Burnett of Crochet Moncherie. I'm trying not to show the pattern at all. So it's very cute. A couple of buttons. And next we have the mini Christmas tree sets. So you are making the topper ornaments, round ornaments, oval ornaments, and hexagon tree skirt. So I guess this is just to spruce up, if you have like a mini tree, just spruce up a mini tree. And it really kind of sucks this magazine got so messed up in the mail. Next we have the, that pattern was by Tessa Madsen. Next we have the Poinsettia plaid placemat set, and that's pretty festive. I kind of like that. And this is by Maggie Petch. And next we have the Cabin Striped Afghan. And there we go. There's a photograph. And okay, now there is an article in here, making crochet garments that fit. So this will be very handy to me. And then we have some editor favorites. The Oak Fire Company hooks. Those are very pretty. They kind of remind me of furls, huh? The Lumos Knitting Lights. There is a neck light. And they just review these items. And then there is a book, Crochet Sweaters with a textured twist. And there is the book they are talking about. And I think that is it for the products that they are reviewing. This scarf looks very cozy. This is the Arrows and Popcorn Super Scarf by Bonnie Barker. And there it is. And there is a QR code you can scan for left-handed tutorial. And then on the other page, there is a QR code you can scan for a right-handed tutorial. So you can watch video tutorials on that. And this is Under the Pines Afghan by Kristen something Clay. I can't say it. And there is a Kringle kitchen set by Rebecca Greco. You got some towels and pot holders. Yeah, kitchen towel. A kitchen towel and pot holders. Easy Christmas Throw by Catherine Eng. That's the one that was on the cover. And we got a hexagon flower fidget toy. So this is kind of different. So you make the hexagon, that hexagon there. And this is by Julia Wagner. And you insert a marble so that you can push the marble around and use it as a fidget toy. Next we have the Textures Scarf by Mary Beth Temple. And we have the Holly Jolly Bed Runner by Dana Rushhold. There's that. And there's quite a few patterns in this magazine. We have a Christmas Time Doily by Gemma R. Owen. And oh, there's an ad for these bags. These bags are kind of cute. I'll just show you quick. I don't see one that I want. Like if they had a Nightmare Before Christmas bag like this, I'd be all over it. It's just an ad that's in the magazine. Addison's Delight Doily. So you could probably use cotton with these, a thicker, not such a fine yarn, and use these as coasters, not just doilies. They're using a lace weight for these. Ads. This is the, I can't say that. I can't say that name either. Here is a picture. And this, I think, would be prettier as a doily than a coaster. We have a Dora doily by Olga Olga Shalaiva. Can't say it. Some of these names, man, I'm butchering them. And then we have the same doily, but in an oval shape, designed by the same person. And why are you not? The pages are stuck. Next we have the tree silverware holder. This is kind of cute. And this is by Gemma Owen again. So this is the second pattern from Gemma Owen that we have here. That cough is still here, man. It just doesn't want to die. Next we have a holiday gift guides section. So just different things that you can get the crocheter in your life. Of course, clover hooks are in there. So it's just a two-page spread on different gift ideas. Little Christmas Tree Ornament by Agnes Russell. And there we are. Whoa. And we have Christmas Cookie Ornaments by Deborah Ark. And next up, Snow Buddy Ornaments by Heather Single. Those a snowman and a reindeer. Excuse me. Preppy Penguin Ornament, again by Deborah Ark. There we go. And then we have a chimney gift card ornament. So it's a little gift card holder. And this is by Kathleen Stewart. And Kathleen Stewart also has a snowman gift card holder ornament. And then we have Marzipan Pear Ornaments by Donna Childs. And Boughs and Berries Garland by Kathleen Burlew. Right there. And then we have an article on the wood hooks of Knitbrooks. So there is a gentleman here that makes wooden hooks, and it's just a little interview with him. There are some of the hooks he makes. And next we have the Denali Pullover and Cowl by Margaret Hubert. So here is the pullover sweater. Very nice textured stitch. And the cowl is, oh, come on. Oh no, that's, oh, is that the cowl? Almost looks like it's a sweater. I think she did the cowl, yeah, she did the cowl as the same color as the top part of her sweater. So it almost looks like it's part of the sweater, but it's not. That would be the cowl. Then we have Warm Chai Mitts by Wendy Brown. Right there. Wow, they used a super fine yarn for this. And then we have the Icy Trails Tunic by Jane Snedden Peever. I like that. That's pretty. I think this is my favorite patterns in the magazine so far. Oh, the pages are sticking. Okay, and then we have the Night Sky Tunisian Shrug. So this is obviously a Tunisian pattern. And we have, here's a better picture of it. Okay, and then we have the Polar Star Hat and Mittens by Aisa Krivonos. Oh, and that Tunisian was by Mary Beth Temple, the Tunisian Shrug. Here is a better photograph of the hats, and there are QR codes for tips to learn tips for reading stitch diagrams. And then here are the mittens. And next we have Jack's Hooded Pocket Shawl. I kind of like this too, even though I don't do shawls. And this is by Rebecca J. Benton. And here is a photo from the front. It looks like it's got lots of texture. What do they use for yarn? They use Premier Puzzle for this. It doesn't say which color. And then the Knotted Cable Pullover by Darla Sims. And I think we're getting close to the end. Yeah. The Cozy Cabin Cardi by Britt Schmeising. There is a photo from the back and a photo from the front. And is that the last one? I think so, yes. So that was all of the patterns in this book, magazine. What were your favorites? I think my favorites was that tunic right here, number 74, and that pocket shawl. Yes. So I hope you enjoyed looking through the Crochet World magazine for winter of 2023, and let me know what your favorites are. Do you get Crochet World? What are you going to make out of this magazine? I have not yet made one pattern from the Crochet World magazines that I have. I need to get on my butt, get off my butt and get crocheting, right? And get hooking. Okay, so thanks again for watching. I'm going to try to work on a Christmas pattern roundup video. Again, don't forget, if you would like to go check out the Alaskan Crafter, and I will put her link in the description box below, please go check her out. And if you like what you see, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. She only needs like 50 some more subs to hit 1,000, so I want her to get there, because she should be there. All right, thanks again. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.